Good morning. We are on lesson 8.13. This is going to be our last math video for this unit as we will be taking the math test tomorrow. We are going to continue working on that missing add-in. Today is just going to look a little bit different because today we're going to pretend that we are shopping. So here on this page, you will see a picture of a duck. So let's pretend that we went to the store and we are going to buy this rubber duck for 21 cents. That's how much it cost. We have $1, okay? And that is what we are going to pay with. We want to make sure that we are getting the correct change back from the cashier at the store. I'm paying with $1, and if we all remember, $1 means it's 100 cents. These are the different ways to show $1. So 100, we are paying with 100. We're starting with 21 because that's how much it costs. We want to know the difference. So we want to know how much change should we get back. So the equation that we are solving is 21 plus what equals 100. And we're going to solve this by counting on. So I'm going to start with 21, and I'm going to make ones, circles, until I get to the next 10. If I'm at 20, the next 10 is going to be 30. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So now I'm at 30. I'm going to keep making 10s until I get to 100. So 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now I count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. 79 cents is what I should be getting back from the cashier if I bought this rubber ducky for 21 cents and I paid with $1. On this page, we're going to be doing the same thing, but here we're buying this book for 43 cents. We're still paying with a $1 bill, so remember that is 100 cents. Let's start out by writing down 43. We're going to make ones or circles until we get to the next 10. If I'm at 40, the next 10 will be 50 because 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is how I count by tens. So 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I made my tens until I got to 100 because remember, I'm paying with a $1 bill. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. 57 cents is the change that I should be getting if I buy this book for 43 cents and I pay with $1. So these are the equations that we are actually solving. So what we really just figured out is that 43 plus something equals 100. And that something was 57 after we did our math. Also, we're solving 100 minus what equals 43. And that same answer is 57, but we aren't going to be working on that as a subtraction equation because that's just a little too hard for us right now because we are not working on borrowing from that tens place yet. Let's do another example. Here is our last example. Here we are buying a piece of pizza. The piece of pizza costs 76 cents. Again, we have a $1 bill that is 100 cents that we are paying for. So the equation that we are solving is 76 plus what equals 100. What is the difference? How do I get from 100 down to 70 cents? How much change am I getting back? So I start with 76. I'm going to start by counting on with ones until I get to the next 10. If I'm at 70, my next 10 is going to be 80. So 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. I'm at a 10. Now I count by tens until I get to 100. 80, 90, 100. Let's count. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So I should be getting 24 cents back. If I bought this piece of pizza for 76 cents and I paid with a $1 bill, my change, the money that the cashier would give me back, would be 24 cents. Today, that's what you're going to be doing on your math worksheet. Each of these things, there's yogurt, a sandwich, milk, a muffin, soup, another sandwich, more milk, and pickles. Each of those times, you are paying with a $1 bill. So you are figuring out what would be the change. That's the money that the cashier gives you back. Okay, so just think about this. If you're at Winnie Mac and you go to the concession stand during a volleyball or basketball or football game, and a piece of candy costs 50 cents and you give them $1, the cashier is not going to keep that dollar. They are going to give you some money back because what you bought did not cost $1. So that's what making change is. It's when somebody gives money to the cashier and it's more money than what they owed. Okay, so if you bought a piece of candy at Winnie Mac and it cost 50 cents, your change from $1 would be 50 cents. That's the change that the cashier would give you back. That's what you're working on today on your worksheet. Each of these things, the yogurt is 56 cents. You have to figure out if you gave them $1, how much change would they give you back? And you're going to show me that by counting on with ones and tens, with sticks and circles. Make sure you write the total in the box where it says change equals. The change is the number that you come up with the sticks and the circles. So on this last equation here on my sheet, on my board here, the change is this number right here. When I added up the sticks and the circles, that's the change. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to me and let me know so I can walk you through those.